nigga, die for nothing. My nigga, die for nothing. My nigga, die for nothing. My nigga, oh, Burna, yeah, 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 oh, yeah, 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 oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. This on a gap that way they da ba da. Me I no get time, my day da ba da. Dada cover my face, calling me la ga da. Biggie man, we do me where I got da. Aye, my nigga, what's gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them riding with me. NOV, die for nothing. My nigga, what's gonna be? The girl them, all the. Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Yeah, Burna Boy. It's actually a simple song, only 3 chords. So if you're a beginner, this song you should be able to play this song if you practice a bit. As always, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube, and I would really appreciate if you did so. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of D sharp, and the progression is 2, 3, 6 in the key of D sharp. So you can either use a capo if you want to use a capo, or you can just play it without a capo. So because you just play these F minor here, and G minor chord, and C minor chord. If you want to use a capo, you will of course place your capo on the 1st fret, and then you would play this E minor form chord, G minor, and C minor. So you can either choose which option to go by. So I will just teach you without a capo. So I'm holding my F sharp here. My pointer finger is buried on the 1st fret, and then my ring finger on string number 5, fret 3. My small finger string number 4, fret 3. So this is a F minor chord. G minor chord, I'm barring with my pointer finger, barring the 3rd fret, and then my ring finger on the 5th fret, string number 5, and my small finger 5th fret, string number 4. G minor chord, and then this chord here, which is a C minor chord. So C minor chord, I'm barring across fret 3, across string 1 to 5, and then with my middle finger, string number 2 on the 4th fret, with my ring finger, string number 4 on the 5th fret, and my small finger plays string number 3 on the 5th fret. So this is C minor chord, and those are the chords for this song. So this is the strumming pattern that you can use. So you start with 2, so it's a minor chord, so I'm kind of playing down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. And that's how you gotta play it. one I got the idea da. Me again no time my data da. Dada cover my face calling me lagap da. Biggie man we don't area up you know, something of that sort. So this is how you play the song. It's just a simple 3-chord song. So that's it for this tutorial. Well, remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned from it. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.